Okay, a quick review of the EPSON EF-12 Projector. Okay, I'm going to be straight with you. I am ridiculously excited about this unboxing. Welcome to a new streaming experience. I really like that, that's quite snazzy. Information booklet, DVD, I don't know where I'm going to put that. This is interesting though. One of the things that I've heard you get with this is a ceiling mounting, which is so cool. Yeah, there's a bracket, look, which I'm pretty sure enables you to safely mount this thing on the ceiling, which is super cool. Ah, right, okay, all bits and pieces that are required. Snazzy little controller there. Check that you can see that in the light. Anti-power. That's all part of the... Is that part of the ceiling mount, do we think? Probably. Oh, I've spotted a speaker. Make sure I'm holding this correctly. Oh yes! Oh my, look at this! It's like something from the 1930s. And in a good way. It's got a kind of retro, hi-fi, gramophone mesh, which is clearly where the Yamaha technology is. And then on top a kind of, is it like a Bakelite texture or a leather texture? And then this kind of copper inset, really nice styling, beautiful bit of product design. What have we got there? Okay, I'm looking down on the top, so forgive me, but 3.5mm jack for the headphones. That's an old school USB there. USB-A is that? I can't see from here. And 2 HDMI. I really want to get this set up ASAP. Okay, so look, I've switched the projector around, okay, so that it's looking at the sofa, simply because that's the clearest wall I've got. The other wall over this way has got my TV on it. And interestingly, as you move the adjustment feet, which are really easily controlled via a button, let me just get my finger under there. There, as you move the projector, it actually attempts to check out the angle and apply automatic keystoning. So for those of you that don't know keystoning, it's how the projector gives you a straight rectangle of an image, even though, as you can see, this is positioned at an angle. Look at the image, it's so good. Just get a sense of the size of this image. I mean, I don't know how big that is. That's the size we're looking at. It's enormous. Cool. Cool, love that. Of course, Google Play, that's the origin, the store that I can get all of these powerful tools for this little projector.
Good job.
How you doing, boys?
Dropping down, all good. How about yourself?
Yeah, man, I'm just testing a new projector. I'm filming it for Instagram and YouTube and
Beautiful.
God knows what else. You don't mind me if your voices are included?
I'm going
So I'll play the game and get on camera.
Yeah.
Nice. Where are you finding it? It's really...
I just love this projector. I love the way it looks. I love the way it functions. It's almost whisper quiet. I had no sense of really any noticeable noise at all coming from it. The Android TV functionality is fantastic. I can plug in all of my various accounts to streaming services and more besides. The YouTube button is good because I'm a big consumer of YouTube content. And I particularly like the built-in Chromecast. That's great, as demonstrated by my Oculus Quest 2 connectivity. And the built-in speakers are more than adequate. They really do deliver a punchy, clear sound. So you don't have to mess about hooking up your device to an alternative sound source. You've got it all built into one device. I must point out that the wall I've been projecting on this whole time isn't even white, it's a kind of off grey. So imagine how crystal clear this would look against a proper projector screen. In all honesty, at this price point, I don't think you could do much better.